here are 4 everyday kind of things that I think look really cool when you film them in slow motion using the Insta360 One X2. Number 1, throwing rocks into a lake. I just think this shot is so cool because not only is it slow motion, but also the camera is following the rock through the air and then all the way down into the water, which you can do because the Insta360 One X2 is waterproof. Shot number 2, shoveling snow. I just like watching snow fly through the air in slow motion. I think that looks cool, plus the fact that with the camera actually hooked to the shovel, I was able to implement in a little bit more camera movement than I would have been able to do with a traditional camera where it would have just been sitting still on a tripod. It wouldn't have been as interesting of a video as this turned out to be. Number 3, riding a bike. I connected the camera where it was completely level with the center of the wheel on the bicycle, and that way I was able to get this shot. And shot number 4 is running. I really like that moment where both of my feet come off the ground and I'm just kind of floating there for a few seconds before I come back down. That's just cool in slow motion. And then at the end here, I jump over the camera. That's just another camera angle that would have been impossible for me to film by myself using any other camera besides a 360 camera. This clamp mount / selfie stick combo is something that has been coming really in handy for a lot of my shots recently, so I thought I would share with you guys how I put this together. It's made out of 3 pieces. There's the small rig clamp mount right here, then in between there's a 1/4-20 double-headed stud, and then there's the Insta360 bullet time selfie stick. I'll have links below this video to each one of these 3 pieces, so if you want to make yourself a clamp mount selfie stick, you can go pick those pieces up on Amazon. Highly recommend the Insta360 if you want one. Link in the description below. Hit that bell notification below the video. Go watch some of my other videos right here. I'll see you guys next time.